In this video, I'll show you how to enable 5 GHz Wi-Fi on your laptop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Using 5 GHz Wi-Fi is often faster and more stable than 2.4 GHz, especially for streaming and gaming. Here's how to switch to it. First, open the search bar on your computer, type in Device Manager, and click to open it. In Device Manager, scroll down and expand the Network Adapters section. Find your Wi-Fi adapter in the list, double-click it, and then go to the Advanced tab. Now look for band selection, sometimes called preferred band depending on your adapter. Click the drop-down menu and choose either 5 GHz first or auto/all. If you see a separate preferred band option, set it to 5 GHz for best results. Once you're done, click OK and your adapter will reload with the new settings. And that's it. You've enabled 5 GHz Wi-Fi on your laptop for a faster connection. If this guide helped you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows tips.